Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're trustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, two electric blanket brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Sunbeam Electric Blanket and the Bedsure Electric Blanket. We are pretty sure you have experienced a cold winter's day at home, so keeping yourself warm is the first priority. There are a bunch of alternatives to maintaining the warm temperature inside your house to keep you comfy, such as a thermostat or a fireplace. However, an electric blanket would be one of the most cost-effective and cozy options on a chilly day. Today's brand wars pits two of the most highly rated electric blankets against each other to see who comes out on top. Going head-to-head are the Sunbeam Electric Blanket and the Bedsure Electric Blanket, which have both garnered a 4-badge rating from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com. We hope you're ready to get cozier than ever. Let's get the fight started. If you are interested in other electric blankets that we have reviewed, do check out our electric blanket review video linked below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these electric blankets will be going toe-to-toe with would be their material. Nowadays, electric blankets come in a wide range of fabrics such as polyester blend, fleece, microfleece, Sherpa, and so much more. That's why when selecting one, it would be best to test the blankets for yourself, so you would know how soft or hard it is against your skin. Sunbeam is made with 100% polyester, which ensures long-lasting durability. Its competitor Bedsure is made from Sherpa, which gives the blanket the perfect blend of toughness and softness. The great thing about Sherpa is that it has some flex to it. On top of that, Sherpa tends to be softer and warmer than most materials. This is why many individuals go for Sherpa more than anything else. That said, Bedsure proves to have an advantage in this match with its Sherpa material, which is why we will be giving the point to them. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their heat settings. It is common for an electric blanket to have a wide range of heat settings. More often than not, basic electric blankets offer the usual 3 settings, namely low, medium, or high. Some of the more high-end blankets, however, offer up to 20 different heat settings and configurations. The Sunbeam Electric Blanket has 10 heat settings that allow you to choose the perfect temperature that your body needs to stay warm and comfortable. On the other hand, Bedsure offers 5 heat settings for easy heating and practical use, which meet different comfort needs. With its 10 heat settings for a more versatile heating experience, Sunbeam is the clear winner in this category. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their automatic shutoff feature. Almost all electric blankets are equipped with an automatic shutoff feature for safety. This helps avoid dangerous malfunctions while ensuring that you won't get too hot as you use the blanket. The length of time the blanket stays on before it automatically shuts down depends on the manufacturer. Some stay on for up to 10 hours, while others shut down after 5 hours. Sunbeam has an automatic shutoff feature that turns the blanket off after 10 hours. This makes it great for individuals living in an area with a cold climate all year round. Bedsure, on the other hand, also features an automatic shutoff feature that shuts the blanket down after 3 hours of use. Both these blankets have automatic shutdown features, and it will depend on your preference as to which would be the ideal choice. With both the Sunbeam and Bedsure offering similar functions, our team has decided to end this round in a tie. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their ease of cleaning. There are some blankets that can be machine washed, so be sure to purchase one that you'll be able to throw in the washing machine to save yourself time and effort. In this case, both the Sunbeam and Bedsure are machine washable, which makes this round's outcome clear as day. You've guessed it, we've ended up with a stalemate once again. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their color variation and size. There are a number of individuals who are very particular about their home design, which is why the blanket that comes in a range of colors will be the better choice. But before you head out to the checkout counter, you also might want to see if the blanket you're holding is the appropriate size for your bed. Sunbeam comes in 7 different colors, namely mushroom, garnet, acorn, ivy, Newport blue, seashell, and walnut. It also comes in 4 sizes: king, queen, twin, and full. Meanwhile, Bedsure only offers 2 sizes, a 50 by 60 inch variant and a 62 by 84 inch variant. It also comes in 6 different colors. Sunbeam unquestionably offers a wider range of colors and sizes. For this, it definitely wins the point in this category. It is finally time to decide the winner of today's brand wars. The scores are in. Bedsure was able to garner a total of 3 points. However, its competitor Sunbeam was able to score a total of 4 points, making it today's victor. Although Bedsure indeed offers a comfortable Sherpa material, it was no match for Sunbeam's numerous color and size options, plus its more versatile heat settings. That being said, Sunbeam takes home the gold in today's brand wars. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Sunbeam Electric Blanket and the Bedsure Electric Blanket has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next electric blanket face-off which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at thetrustedshoppingguide.com again soon.